We all know and love the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. It's the pinnacle of the S650 generation, a track-focused beast with 500 horsepower straight from the factory. But what if I told you there is a version that takes beast mode to a completely different level? Meet the Hennessey H850, based on the Mustang Dark Horse. Yes, you heard that right. Hennessey Performance. The Texas-based masters of making fast cars faster have worked their magic on Ford's latest pony car, and the results are absolutely insane. So, what exactly does Hennessey do to create the H850? The heart of the transformation is under the hood. It comes with a high-flow induction system, upgraded fuel injectors, and a new fuel pump to make sure that Monster Engine gets all the air and fuel it needs. Then, they recalibrate the engine management software to orchestrate this mechanical symphony. A jaw-dropping 850 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. That's a 70% increase in power over the stock Dark Horse. It's the kind of power that pins you to your seat and rearranges your internal organs. The H850 gets a subtle but aggressive aero package. To match its newfound performance, you'll find a carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber side skirts, and a carbon fiber rear spoiler. These aren't just for looks. They improve aerodynamics and high-speed stability. And to make sure everyone knows this isn't your average Mustang, there are Hennessey and H850 badges, plus a special script on the rear quarter panels. Inside, the details continue with Hennessey embroidered headrests and a unique serial-numbered plaque on the dash, reminding you that you're in something exclusive. Imagine the sound. The standard Dark Horse already has a great V8 rumble, but the H850, with its supercharger whine layered over that deep growl, is on another planet. It's a raw, visceral sound that promises pure, unadulterated performance. Hennessey offers the H850 with either the 10-speed automatic or the enthusiast's choice, the 6-speed Tremec manual. Can you imagine rowing your own gears with 850 horsepower at your command? It's the ultimate driver's car, blending modern technology with old school, raw American muscle power. It takes the trek-ready nature of the Dark Horse and dials it up to 11. The Hennessey H850 is more than just a tuned Mustang. It's a re-engineered supercar that wears a Mustang badge. It is a testament to what is possible when one of America's best performance tuners gets their hands on one of America's most iconic cars. It's for the driver who looks at the 500 horsepower Dark Horse and thinks, that's a good start. Hennessey even backs their work with a comprehensive 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty, so you can enjoy all that power with some peace of mind. It's an exclusive, powerful, and beautifully crafted machine that pushes the boundaries of what a Mustang can be. What do you guys think? Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more high-octane content. See you in the next one.